What I wish I knew before calling a tow truck? Sometimes the answer is way simpler than you'd think. Let's troubleshoot your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob. If your Hyundai Santa Fe key fob isn't working, here's what to check first. Start by making sure the battery inside the fob isn't dead. Most key fobs use a small coin battery, usually CR2032. Pop open the case with a coin or flat tool, swap in a fresh battery, and see if that solves it. Still not working? Make sure you're close enough to the vehicle. Sometimes interference from other electronics or even metal objects can block the signal. If distance isn't the issue, check for physical damage. Has the fob been dropped or did water get inside? If yes, the inside might be damaged. Next, try resetting the key fob. For many Santa Fe models, you can do this by holding both lock and unlock buttons for a few seconds until the light flashes. If nothing works, your key fob may need to be reprogrammed. This usually means a trip to your dealer or a locksmith. And remember, you can still start your Santa Fe using the key hidden inside the fob. Just look for a small button or latch to slide the key out. Key fob issues are common, but most are easy to fix. Save time, save stress. Now you know what to do.